Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to link a file or folder in Outlook. This is a really useful feature when you want to share documents with colleagues or clients directly through email, making it easier for them to access important files without having to attach large documents that can clog up inboxes. First things first, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your emails and folders. This ensures everything is synced and ready to go before you start composing your message. Once your email has loaded completely, we're going to access your email tools. To do this, look toward the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This will open up a fresh email composition window where you can craft your message and add the link to your file or folder. From the email composition screen, direct your attention to the top part of your window. Here you'll see several tabs that give you different options for formatting and adding content to your email. Click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the tools you need to add various elements to your message, from images to tables to links. Under the Insert tab, you'll notice a button labeled Link. Go ahead and click on it. This button is specifically designed to help you create hyperlinks within your email, which is exactly what we need to link our file or folder. When you click it, an Insert Hyperlink window will appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. From this window, you can navigate through your computer's file system to locate the specific file or folder you wish to link. Simply browse through your directories and select the file or folder you want to share. Once you've made your selection, you'll see a field labeled Text to Display. This is where you can customize what the link will look like in your email. Instead of showing the full file path, you can change it to something more user-friendly, like click here to view the report or project files. This makes your email look cleaner and more professional. After you've selected your file or folder and customized the display text, click on the OK button. The link will now be inserted directly into your email body with the text you specified, linking to your chosen file or folder. Your recipients will be able to click on this link and access the document or folder directly. And that's it. You've successfully added a file or folder link to your Outlook email, making it simple for anyone to access the resources they need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.